Welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see on the title of this video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. And I've never done any of these videos before, but I really wanted to do this because I'm gonna go through a really big upgrade, because I've always had this phone, which is an iPhone 6s Plus, and I've had it for like 3 years now, almost 4 maybe, I'm not really sure, but I've had it for like so long, and I've always wanted to change my phone because the battery quality of this phone is like really bad, and there's like a lot of stuff going on with this phone. So I really wanted to upgrade it, and I wanted to buy the iPhone XR, but I waited a little bit more because I didn't have enough money at that time. So now I ordered the iPhone 11 Pro Max, I think is what it's called, and I have the box right here. I just got it like 2 hours ago, I think, but I took a shower and I was waiting to record this video. So let's start with this video right now because I'm really excited to open this box. So I have my scissors right here, and I'm just gonna cut through the tape right here, I think. Here we go. I think this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I'm really excited because I've been waiting for like 2 weeks to like get it, and it's like really secure. It's like taped onto this box, so that's what I like because now I know that there's not gonna be damage inside. Let me tell you the story of how I got this phone. So basically, I was gonna get it the other day when I went to the Apple store, but they didn't have the one that I wanted, and the one that I wanted is the black one with 256 gigabytes, and I really wanted like a big storage because the one that I have right now, it has still like somewhat a big storage because it has 64 gigabytes, but I've been wanting to get like something that had more capacity because my phone was full of like pictures and stuff, which is what I take the most, and also videos because I usually record on my phone. And I'm so excited that I was able to get this, but when I went to the store they didn't have it, so I had to order it online. And then I should have waited a little bit more, and I could have got it like way before than today, because when I ordered it online it took like 2 weeks, and then I think after the week finished of that day that I went to the Apple store, I checked online and it said that they already had it available at the store that's near me. So I could have got it before, but I'm so excited that I was able to like wait for it and stuff. So let's just get through this box and see the phone because I'm really excited to get it. So here it is. Now let's open the lid. Okay, if I'm looking a lot to the side, it's because my brother is right here. He wants to see me unbox my phone. So here's the phone, and we'll come back to this right now, but we're gonna unbox the things that the box has already, and we all know that it has like the instructions and stuff like that. And then it comes with a pair of headphones, and honestly, for the price that I paid for this, I was expecting to get like AirPods or something, and I think that they should do that because it's like really expensive already, so they should give like AirPods instead of headphones, but you always need those. So and then it comes with a charger, and also something that sold me a lot into this phone is the charger, because I heard that they changed the box, which means that it's gonna help you charge your phone a lot more faster, which is what I like because I always use up my phone's battery really quick. So I'm excited about this, and I also heard that the battery lasts so much, so I'm really excited. And let me shut up so I can take this thing off. Now that we've seen all of the things that the box has, I'm gonna show you my phone more up close, and I really like that it's matte because like it's not really like a mirror. I know that the XS Plus, I think it's what it's called, it has like a reflective screen kind of, and I really like that this one's matte. And honestly, let me be honest with you right now, The cameras right here, I don't really like them, but I know that the quality of the cameras is really good, so that's why I got it. At first I was gonna get the iPhone 11 because it just had 2 cameras, so it was gonna be like not that ugly, you know. It still had the rectangle, but I mean the square, but like it was gonna be less ugly. And this kind of triggers my trypophobia a little bit, but I feel like I'm gonna get used to it. And also I can't really complain because the quality of the camera, I heard that it's really good. I don't know if we should take this little thing right here right now, because right now I don't have like a case or anything for it. I ordered some online, but they don't come until like next week, I think. I really don't want to crack the screen, and so I think we'll just take it off for right now, and then we'll set up the phone. So here we go. Now we're gonna turn on the phone. Okay, let me show you a comparison of the iPhone 6s and then the 11 Pro. It's a little bit dirty, so don't judge, but here it is. I don't think I'm gonna have to get used to the size because this one's already been big. I'm just gonna have to get used to not having a home button, as you can see. But we can see that the camera's difference is like a really big one, and the Apple logo went in the middle instead of like right here. And honestly, I kind of like the Apple logo more right here than in the middle, but I can't really complain, you know. And we can see that it doesn't have the iPhone thingy right here anymore. So, we're gonna put it in English, United States. And then it says, if you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want, you can also set up this iPhone manually. I think we're gonna set it up manually, but I have my iPhone right here, so it's gonna be easier to set it up. So it's setting it up. I don't know. Hold the new iPhone up to the camera position. I don't know if I'm gonna have to go to the process in which I have to choose for the dark mode or not, because this morning my iPhone updated like by itself. I'm really excited about it because I don't know why my fingerprint wasn't being recognized by this phone anymore. Like I will struggle a little bit with it, so I want to do the Face ID. Okay, we're gonna set up Siri. Hey Siri. Now that we're setting everything up for this phone, but I'm really excited that I have it. I seen the midnight green one, but I didn't really like it because you can barely see the green. Oh, we're gonna need Wi-Fi to finish setting this up, so I'm gonna go for my Wi-Fi password. I'll be right back. Here, as you can see, it says it's just only gonna take like a minute or so, so we'll see. I think I'm gonna go today to get like a screen protector for this, at least if I don't get a case, because like I'm really scared that I'm gonna drop it, and knowing me, I will probably do it. And also I sometimes let my friends borrow my phone, so setting up the software. I really wanted to upgrade mine because like I said before, I record on my phone and the camera quality is not that good anymore. And also like I don't know why, but like this the audio of it when I record, it sounds kind of weird, so that's what I didn't like about it. And like I said, I wanted more storage because I was running out of storage already, and yeah. Also, let me tell you something. If you're updating from like a 6S or something, this iPhone, the 6S, is like way heavier than the X Max Pro, I think is the name. I don't know why. I'll come back to record the video once it finishes updating the software. I'm setting this up, but it's taking longer than expected. I literally wasted like 2 hours of my life doing this, but I had to restart my phone again. But this is what I'm doing right now. Finally! Okay, so I'm sorry for the way I look, but I just woke up from a nap. I always take naps after school because I get so tired, but basically I just wanted to give you an update on my phone and like kind of finalize this video because it's been a week since I have it and I didn't finish recording my videos, so I just wanted to give you an update. But here it is. I got a case for it, and I got it from Walmart, and it was pretty cheap. I think it wasn't more than 15 bucks, and it's alright for now because it actually protects my phone. And I ordered more cases from other places, so I'm just waiting for those because I ordered them online. And then I got a screen protector because knowing me, I could probably crack my phone really fast. And I just wanted to say that it took me like around 3 to 4 hours to set up my phone because of the new update on the software, and it sucked because I was so frustrated, but I finally was able to set up my phone, and I'm so happy about it because even though it's been a week, I'm in love with this phone. Maybe the camera I'm still getting used to because it's kind of different from what I used to have, but I really like it. So yeah, basically that's everything that I had to say, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I don't usually do unboxing videos, but hopefully you liked it so that I can do more. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.